Another day, another English lesson. Using the way that in sentences. In English, we sometimes want to focus not just on what happens, but how something happens. One useful structure for this is the way that plus clause. This phrase helps us turn a full sentence into a noun phrase that describes a manner, method, or behavior, and we can use it as the subject or object in another sentence. The way that as the subject. We often use the way that when we want to talk about someone's method, style, or behavior as a thing. This structure turns a clause into a subject with a focus on how something happens. Examples. The way that she handles pressure impresses everyone. She handles pressure becomes a noun phrase and acts as the subject. The way that he solved the problem surprised his teacher. This highlights how he solved the problem, not just the result. In these examples, the way that helps focus on the manner or method, not just the fact that something occurred. The way that as the object. We can also use the way that as the object of a verb or expression. This use is common when reacting to or evaluating someone's behavior or method. Examples. I admire the way that she explains things clearly. They criticized the way that he managed the team. This structure helps us focus on actions and approaches, making our language more descriptive. Now insert the way that to turn the incorrect examples into correct sentences. One. We didn't like the way that he handled the situation. 2. The way that the chef prepares food amazes everyone. 3. I like the way that the designer decorated this room. 4. The way that engineers solve problems inspires others. 5. The way that she speaks slowly in meetings annoys some colleagues. 6. I admire the way that they stayed calm under pressure. 7. She changed the way that she communicates with customers. 8. The way that he drives at night scares his passengers. 9. He explained the way that they prepared for the test. 10. The way that she organizes events works really well. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.